Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap Grayson local, and long-distance movers near me. When you relocate your belongings over a distance of 50 miles from your current address, it is a long-distance relocation. When it comes to moving your belongings over long distances, our movers are capable. Our team of movers is cautious, organized, and disciplined. They arrange and load your belongings into the trucks gently. Our moving trucks are suitable for long-distance travel. They are balanced, maintained, and spacious. We have long-distance relocation licenses from state and federal agencies in charge of interstate and intrastate relocation. Our insurance plans are also adequate, and they cover the risks that may arise during the transportation. When we take control of your long-distance relocation, you can be sure of getting all of your belongings in the new location on time and in good condition. Local moves also require thorough planning. 3 men in a truck is competent enough to plan and conduct your local moves. Moving your belongings locally is often less expensive than long-distance moves. If you want to get access to the cheapest local moves, you should hire the services of 3 men and a truck. Although our local moving services are of the best standards, we offer the cheapest rates. Our local moving services go as low as $30 and $40 per hour. Locals in Grayson, Georgia are quick to refer us to friends and families. They are beneficiaries of our affordable and premium moving services. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Grayson Moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.